This video is to explain how to make population pyramids using your own data or census data or any sort of data using Google Spreadsheets. First thing you're going to have to do is log into Google Drive. If you don't already have a Google account, just go to gmail.com, sign up for a Google account, and you get a free Google Drive account. You can simply go to drive.google.com. It may ask you to download Google Drive to your computer. Do not do that. You do not need to download anything. Just skip that step. Once you're in your Google Drive, click Create and go down to Spreadsheet. It will automatically create for you a blank spreadsheet. For the sake of this practice, I've already created a template. I put it in my practice folder, and there's a population pyramid example. Okay. To create your population pyramid, create 3 columns. The first column listing your age groups. And the second columns will be men and women. For this spreadsheet, it's important that you literally write the word 2 so that Google doesn't confuse it and think it's a date or think that it's a subtraction if you put a dash. Literally write 0 to 4 or 0 to 9, whatever your age groups are. And then you put your data into this section. And it should end up looking something like this. I went to the US Census webpage, got some data for the United States. You'd put whatever numbers you'd get here. Literally count the number of men alive who are aged 0 to 4 and put it in this box. Same for the women, 0 to 4, put it in this box. Depends on what your data is. Okay, and then you will highlight all of this, and there's a button for charts. Insert a chart. It's going to try to give you a bar graph, which is a good first step. But we know that these graphs are a sideways bar chart, so select sideways bar chart, and it's going to look kind of correct, but you see that all of the graphs are on the same side. Normally we have men on one side, women on the other. So in order to do that, you've got to sort of trick Google. In order to do that, you're going to take your data, but make one of the columns negative. Okay, so whatever these numbers were, make them negative. Then when you highlight it, go to Chart, select the sideways chart. It's going to make them look like this. Okay. Now we have to customize it a little bit, because you'll see it's got the youngest at the top and the oldest at the bottom, and they're not lined up with each other perfectly. So you've got to go over to Customize, scroll down a little bit. You need to set it to stack them so they'll be right on top of each other, and then reverse the order. And then you have your population pyramid. Ding! Give it a fancy title. Where's the title? Chart title. We'll change the chart title to be US population AULATION 2014. And then we'll insert it. And then you've got your graph, which you can include in your assignment or your report or whatever it is that you need this graph for. Okay, so that is how you create your population pyramid graph using Google Docs, because Google Docs is free. The only thing that I would make sure that you do is use the web browser Google Chrome or Firefox. Internet Explorer doesn't act perfectly in creating this graph. I hope this video was helpful in making this graph. Thank you very much.